Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I'll show you how we can boot this phone into boot mode. And to get started, hold the power key, select power off. Once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. This will instantly take us to boot mode. So there we go. And in here, you can use volume keys to navigate through the options. So you can see we have power off option, bootloader logs, barcodes, start, which takes us back to Android, restart bootloader, which just does nothing because it brings us back here, recovery mode, which takes us to recovery mode, and we're back to power off. Now, whatever option you select with volume keys, you will then need to confirm it with power key. So I'm gonna select start, confirm that, just so I can get back to the normal Android system.
Hello, Moto.
And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.